This French press from Boundless Voyage is truly multifunctional. A great thing to have when you're backpacking is it will fit on a mini stove. You can get coffee, you can boil just water, cook in it, and you can also use it as a cup. So at the top, you can hang it. These little handles fold out so you can hold it like a little cup. And then when you open it up, you'll see the French press part of it. You can actually pull this entire part off and just use it as a lid. And there's your cup. As you can see, it's been used for coffee a lot. It has the little spout to pour coffee out of it. It's all made out of stainless steel, so it's exceptionally durable, and each part can be replaced and easily cleaned separately. So you can twist the bottom right off just by twisting at the bottom screw. And then you can take apart all the filters if you want to clean them, or just if you want to use the top by itself. It's easy to put back together by simply screwing it back together, and it is all around a fantastic backpacking mug. And remember, don't waste this empty space. Fill it up with your coffee or your seasonings or anything else that you need to pack in tight. You can put it inside this French press while it's closed up for extra storage. And if you had coffee in it, it'd be very easy to push it down, tip it out, and enjoy your coffee. The Boundless Voyage, coffee cup, French press, and outdoor camp cooking pot.